You know, it took me a while to figure this one out because I didn't realize that Dodge had any kind of presence in the UK. So I'm searching, looking at all these pictures of Dodge trucks, and I'm not finding this. And then I changed my search, and lo and behold, I find myself a Dodge 500, which is later called a K. They were purchased as cab and chassis units. The end user decided what kind of duty it would be rigged for. So it really wouldn't be unusual for this cab to be a steak truck or a cattle truck, or even a pink pumpkin packer if that's what suits you. Matchbox began producing this one in 1968. It made the change to superfast, but only survived until 72. They're always yellow, but can be found with both yellow and red ropes in either the single or twin version. Obviously, I don't have the crane, but maybe I can have some fun with it. So stick around.
Well, we had a
So, when the coyote needs some rockets, you know he wants only the best. And that means Acme. You may remember a Hot Wheels heavyweight I did a while back, and I bought these cargo add-ons, and this one seemed like it fit this Matchbox casting pretty well. Everyone always likes the Roadrunner, but that damn coyote, man, he never gave up, and you gotta love a guy like that. Hang around for the bench if you like that kind of thing. This is Time Rider, and I'll leave the light on for you. Thanks for hanging around for this edition of The Bench. Hey, I got these little airplanes, and for the life of me, I can't remember where I got them. Somebody probably gave them to me, and I'm probably dissing somebody right now. Anyway, they're Tootsie Toys, and I think Matchbox Mark is doing something for Veterans Day, and I figured maybe I could have some fun with some of these and maybe take part in his build. I also have some pink stuff up for auction on eBay. 100% of the proceeds will go to breast cancer. So if you want to donate and own a wee little car, go to my eBay page. I'll have a link in the description and, bid with your heart. I'm also working on a restoration of this custom Camaro, and not only is it corroded, but it has a sizable chunk taken out of it. It's pretty deep. I'm dubious that plating would do anything except plate the chunk. I may have to resort to extreme measures for a red line project. We'll see. This weekend, of course, is the Three Blind Mice October build, so let's look for that. And then my picture of the day I took 20 years ago. Oh, wait, though, it's Painted Pink Week, yes? I was on the North Shore, and I had my camera in my hand, and I looked next to me and saw this little guy walking across the rock. Pictures are where you find them, right? I hope you enjoyed the video and it finds you healthy, happy, and wise.